When you think of mountain biking, you don't think of Southeast Michigan, but it's not necessarily true. DTE Energy Foundation Trail, one of the things that we say about the trail is it's Michigan's dirt roller coaster. It's kind of our moniker, and a lot of folks travel here from Chicago, Indiana, Ontario. It's a world-class trail system. It's a bike-optimized flow trail, we call it. Just as skateboarders or surfers or other sports, the holy grail is flow. It's similar with mountain biking. You want to find that rhythm, you want to find that flow, and this trail really accommodates that. We have certain berms and features and hips and dips that make it a fun, like, roller coaster experience. You don't have to be an expert rider to come out to the trail. You don't have to be able to jump or ride skinnies. These are all optional features for the most part on the trail, or you can roll things. So we see a lot of families come out, as well as more experienced riders, beginners, novice, the whole spectrum. So the DTE Energy Foundation Trail is a 22-mile trail, and it consists of 4 loops. The green loop is more of a beginner level loop, and it's about 5 miles. Big Cane, we go up a big cane formation, a glacial formation. So there's some climbing and descending and some features, and that's about 5 miles. And then the Wind Loop is an extended 8-mile loop, very scenic, has elevation change and flow. And then the Sugar Loop, it has a lot of rock work on it. It's a more technical loop. It's a 4-mile loop, and that's at the very top by Sugarloaf Lake and Waterloo Recreation area. The Waterloo Recreation area has a lot of different recreational opportunities. There are several lakes, so fishing, kayaking, boating. Also, our friends, the equestrians, have a big trail system in the middle of Waterloo Recreation area. There's also lots of hiking trails, nature center trails over at the Eddy Center. If you're looking to camp, has a number of different camping experiences, from modern camping over at Sugarloaf Lake to some rustic camping sites, and even has a Mongolian yurt. There are also some cabins. Those are a great place to stay. You name it with the outdoors. If it's an outdoor activity, you can probably find it at Waterloo Recreation area. The city of Chelsea, which is just 8 miles down M52 here, has a number of great dining establishments. There's a brew pub in town. There's several restaurants. There's a couple cafes. So a lot of our mountain bikers who especially come from out of state, they pass through Chelsea on the way out here. So they like to stop at the cafe beforehand to get coffee. And then on the way out, they stop and get some beers and pizza, enjoy the scenery, and enjoy Michigan. Come to DTE, Michigan's dirt roller coaster.